What you are looking at here is a puzzle called Chinese Tea by True Genius. And the object of this puzzle is to take it apart and put it back together. Alright, so let's start taking it apart. And so you look at it at first, everything kind of looks the same. But if you notice right here, this light brown piece right here, it has a little notch in it right here. Right in there. So what you want to do is hold it, and this piece right here can actually push all the way down. Alright, so it hangs on like that. Once that piece is pushed down, this brown piece can then get moved over. So it looks like that. And then at that point, everything just falls apart. So that's how you take it apart. That's the easy part. And to put it back together, separate these pieces. As you can see, all of these dark brown pieces are exactly the same. There's no difference. And then we have 5 light brown pieces, all exactly the same, except for this one. This one has an extra little notch on it. So you can see that's your key piece. And to start putting this together, I'll refer to the dark browns for placement. So you start with a dark brown in the left front. You put a dark brown in the right rear. So you start like that. You take 2 more pieces. This time you have dark brown on the right side. So you take these 2 pieces just like this. And what I do, I slide them in between. And then I kind of sandwich them against the left 2 pieces as I push them over, and kind of takes a delicate touch. And you let them go like that. Make sure you're on a flat surface. So it should look like that. And then you take a dark brown and you very gently place it in the back. And at this point you can kind of tighten it up a little bit. Then you take a light brown, place it in the front, and then you just layer the opposite color on top of each one of those. So a light brown in the back and a dark brown in the front. Okay, and all you have left is a dark brown and the light brown with the notch. So next you take your dark brown, situated like this, and make a little enough space for it. You slide it in and push it over to the left side. Alright, so that's kind of the simpler part. Now to get this piece in is where it starts to be a little bit more of a challenge. What I like to do is I grab the pieces that are vertical. It kind of stays together that way. Take 2 fingers just on the left 2 verticals, and you put your thumb on the bottom, and you only have your thumb on the bottom touching the dark brown, and that allows this light brown piece to fall down just like that. And that enables the dark brown to be pushed over like that. And then you take this piece with the extra notch in it and you set it in like this, the long part in the back, over that notch, and then push it like that. And then I take my ring finger to hold this light brown piece up, and that enables you to slide this dark brown piece over. So like that. And then the final step, you can slide this light brown piece that's hanging down up into place. That's it. All put back together. Thank you for joining me.